In this video, you'll learn how to use the DaVinci AI Image Generator to create stunning visuals in just a few simple steps. First, click the Start Free Now button to begin using the tool and access the main image generation features. You may see options for additional advanced features. Consider viewing the Pro subscription if you want to unlock all models, and click the Unlock button if you decide to upgrade for the complete experience. Next, navigate between the Home and Explore sections to find inspiration or see what others have created, helping you get familiar with the wide variety of content available. In the Tools menu, select the Image option to start generating images. You can return to this section anytime to create new AI art. You can browse or use templates for quick project setup and easily close pop-ups to keep your workspace organized. If you want to work with video, choose the Video tool in the same menu. This allows you to switch between generating images and videos as needed. Now, type your image description in the Input field to guide the AI in creating a custom image. Adjust the playback speed controls to fine-tune how your final output is presented, especially if the tool includes animation or real-time previews. You've just learned how to use DaVinci AI to generate images. Enjoy exploring your creativity.